In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete, change, and remove reminders in Slack using the Tech Junction 5 full guide. If you're an avid Slack user, you know how critical reminders can be for managing your daily tasks. However, sometimes you may need to update or delete these reminders to better suit your dynamic workflow. So let's dive right in and make sure you have all the tools you need to manage your reminders effectively. The first step to creating a reminder in Slack is to open your message bar and type the command /remind. This command is a gateway to setting up any reminder you want. Whether it's a personal reminder or one for your team, this command will kick things off for you. Once you've typed in /remind, think about what specific task or event you need to be reminded about and define the details clearly. When you specify the details, you ensure that the reminder system is working exactly as you need it to. Next, you'll want to specify the channel that you wish to set the reminder in. Mentioning the appropriate channel is crucial as it aligns everyone involved or personally notifies you without over-communicating. Once the channel is set, you'll see that your reminder is established. It's always a good idea to double check this step to make sure the right channels and people are getting the notifications they need. Now, let's talk about removing a reminder. Sometimes plans change or certain tasks are no longer relevant, and here's how you remove them. Simply find your reminder in Slack and click on the three dots that appear in the upper right corner of the reminder message. This drop-down menu is your key to modifying or deleting the reminder as needed. With the drop-down menu open, select Delete Message. This step ensures that the reminder is completely removed from the channel or conversation without leaving any traces or confusion. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're selecting the right reminder to delete so that you don't remove something critical by mistake. And finally, once you've clicked Delete Message, there will be a prompt asking if you really want to delete the reminder. Here, just click Delete to confirm. This confirmation step acts as a safety net to keep you from accidentally losing important reminders. It's always good to pause and reconfirm when prompted to prevent any mishaps. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly manage your reminders on Slack. Whether you need to set, change, or delete a reminder, these instructions will ensure you can seamlessly integrate this feature into your daily routine, optimizing productivity and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.